Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to set up a navigation menu in Shopify. Open your Shopify admin, select Online Store, then Navigation to begin. Click Add Menu to create a new menu, or choose an existing menu to edit. Use Add Menu Item to link pages, collections, products, or custom URLs. Drag items to reorder and nest submenus. Save changes and preview your store to confirm the menu appears as expected. When adding menu items, pick the correct link type such as a collection, product, or web address for clarity. Give each item a concise name to set visitor expectations. For drop-downs, drag items underneath a parent to nest them. Consider linking to high-priority pages like Contact, Shipping, or FAQ. Always save your menu, and then preview on desktop and mobile to ensure the layout and links function smoothly for shoppers. Organize your menu with a shopper-first mindset by limiting top-level items and grouping related links under parents. Use clear labels and keep titles short so they fit on small screens. Test the menu on mobile and desktop to confirm touch targets are easy to tap and drop-downs work reliably. Regularly review analytics to see which links get clicks and adjust placement to highlight best sellers and important pages for better conversions.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.